Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we are learning relations and functions. Question number 8, 3 marks dear students. So now let us see the 8th question what they had asked. Let L be the set of all lines in a plane with capital R, a relation in L defined as R is equal to L1, L2. L1 is perpendicular to L2. Show that R is what? Symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Very simple dear students. So that this is the question they had given like this. So how to show here what? R is symmetric, neither reflexive nor transitive. It means what? R is symmetric here and but it is not reflexive and transitive dear students. Very simple question. Yes or no? So now let's see what the set is given. Let L be the what? Set of all lines in a plane. L is only given as a set dear students. L is what? Set of all lines in a plane. Correct? So this is the set they are given. Set of all lines in a plane. Got it now. So now see what you have to do, and R is defined as what? L1, L2 such that L1 is perpendicular. Perpendicular I will write like this dear students. I hope it is okay for you. Perpendicular to L2. Correct? This is defined. So now first we will see what reflexive only. Already dear students they have told it is not reflexive. बच्चों क्या बोला है मालूम है? रिफ्लेक्सिव नहीं है बोला है ऑलरेडी, खुद वही बोला है. So now let's see how we can write. As everyone know that as a line L1 cannot be perpendicular to itself. कौन सा भी ऐसा लाइन नहीं है वो खुद के लिए परपेंडिकुलर होने का. So if you take L1 like this is L1 you see. So again L1 if you write no that will be a parallel. If you take like this also L1 you say this is also L1 only. So L1 is not perpendicular to L1 dear students. It is what? Parallel they will become. So that's why it is not a reflexive. Reflexive means what? All the doublets should satisfy. So now see here. If you replace L2 by L1 no, as a line L1 cannot be perpendicular to itself. How it can be a perpendicular? It is a parallel no, like this only you have to write L1 is this means another L1 is this. If you take in horizontal L1, again L1 will be in horizontal only. So these will become our parallel dear students. These lines are not perpendicular. So therefore you can say that L1 does not belongs to R for all L1 belongs to capital L. Set is what? Set is L dear students. Got it? So thus you can say thus R is not reflexive. I hope everyone it is clear. Chamka ke nahi? So this is not possible dear students. I will erase this for your understanding. I have written. Not required to write in exam dear students. This slide. So this is what I am writing. You write. So now symmetric. Let's come. Already it is symmetric. Yes, of course it is symmetric. You know that. Let L1, L2 belongs to R. What they are defined dear students? Let L1, L2 belongs to R. What they are defined? So they have told implies what? L1 is perpendicular. L1 is perpendicular to L2. Correct? Suppose you think this is L1 and this is L2. L1 is perpendicular to L2 or not? Yes sir. Then L2 is perpendicular to L1? Yes, no? 100% or not? Yes. So that's why you can say L2 is perpendicular to L1 dear students. Correct? So then you can write therefore what? L2, L1 belongs to R. Thus R is what? R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Got it? R is symmetric. Now transitive come. Transitive. Below I will write here. Transitive. Very easy. Let L1, L2 belongs to R and L2 comma L3 belongs to R. So this implies how you know. So I will get this also. Now see, observe. So this implies what? L1 is how the definition is given. L1 comma L2. L1 is perpendicular to L2. L2 is perpendicular to what? L3. Correct? Now see. This is L1 you think. L1 is perpendicular to L2. L2 is perpendicular to what? L2 is perpendicular to L3. Will you agree? L1 is perpendicular to L2. L2 is perpendicular to L3. Then L1 and L3 are what? They are perpendicular. Can you see on the board? They are perpendicular. No. So if it is not that means then it is not transitive. L1 is parallel to L3, dear students. This is not possible. So L1 therefore L1 can never be perpendicular to L3. Can never be what? Can never be perpendicular to L3. In fact, what it is? In fact, L1 is parallel to L3, dear students. So therefore, L1 comma L3 does not belongs to R. Therefore, what you can say thus R is not transitive. R is not transitive. So they are told to show this only, no? R is symmetric, we have shown. It is not reflexive, neither reflexive nor transitive. Means not reflexive and not transitive. Shown or not? So this carries 3 marks, dear students. I hope you understood something from this video. So if you are understanding, थोड़ा तो समझ में आया तो like करो. स्वल्पनाद्रू अर्थ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ like ಮಾಡಿ channel na. Each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. So I am requesting, please help and support me. So this is totally free of cost, dear students. We are not asking you money for each video, dear students. Like in other YouTubers, I will see that subscription ले लो बोलते हैं 3,000 4,000. हमारा totally free of cost है. So that's why at least for everything it is having a Guru Dakshina. So for me also, please give me my Guru Dakshina. That is by liking my channel, dear students. That is my Guru Dakshina and that is my fees. So fine, you will do and you will like my channel. So we'll meet you in my next class. Tab tak lage raho maths ke saath. Thank you, dear students. Please copy this.